A cleaning helping hands when you schedule US mornings or afternoons 7 days a week by day, prefer week in advance notice. Up and down the coast like to have cleaning on schedule. We can put you on our schedule every 1st, 2nd, 3rd or 4th week. Every 7 days, 14, 21, or 28 days offered in a month. We have clients who have us for 4 hours a week. We have an AM 4 hours and a 4 hours PM schedule. We stick to a calendar schedule, makes it easier to pay us monthly. We cover all the beach fronts. We clean residential. We offer standard cleaning. Gulf Breeze Cleaning Services. Cleaning project *. What kind of location is this? * home, residence. Rental property. What type of cleaning is needed? *. Recurring service. One-time cleaning. Move out. Post-construction. Contractors have us come in residential after all construction. Deep cleaning. We clean vacation rentals. Weekly. Bi-weekly. Monthly. Fort Walton, Florida. Gulf Breeze, Florida. Mary Esther, Florida. Okaloosa Island, Florida. Pensacola, Florida. Pensacola Beach, Florida. Standard cleaning areas included. Standard every 2 weeks schedule. Kitchen. Outside of range hood cleaned. Top and front of range cleaned. Fronts of fridge and dishwasher cleaned. Ceiling fans dusted. Floors vacuumed and mopped. Wipe table and chairs. Inside and outside of microwave wiped down. General dusting. Sinks cleaned and disinfected. Drip pans cleaned and disinfected. Bathroom. Tile walls cleaned and disinfected. Showers cleaned and disinfected. Sink cleaned and disinfected. Trash removed. Toilets cleaned and disinfected, including the base and behind the toilet. Vanity and sink cleaned. Floors washed and disinfected, carpets and rugs vacuumed. Mirrors and fixtures cleaned and shined. Mildew chemically treated. Living and sleeping areas. Beds made, if clean, sheets placed on beds. Trash emptied. All readily accessible floors vacuumed. Mirrors cleaned. Picture frames dusted. Flat surfaces dusted. Ceiling fans dusted. Windowsills and ledges wiped down. Prominent knickknacks dusted. Stairs and closet floors vacuumed. Wood floors swept and dust mopped. Light, general straightening completed. Deep cleaning is available. Offer since many of our clients don't need certain things cleaned. We have itemized them separately to keep our prices as low as possible. If you'd like any of the following, please let us know and we can take care of it for an additional fee. Knick-knack cabinets. Clean inside of fridge or oven. For the fridge we do, please ask for you have the items inside removed for us to clean at a time determined by you, and the cleaner upon arrival to keep our prices as low as possible. Interior windows. Window tracks. Blinds dusted, excludes plastic vinyl blinds. Grime removal from blinds, excludes plastic vinyl blinds. Home organization. Dishes. Laundry. Walls wiped down. We offer a special extra clean on our website list. Contact number 850-496-1843. Please visit our website for more information. https://gulfcoastcleaningservice.com/call Clinton for a quote 850-496-1843.